In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on mentions and tags on LinkedIn. If you want colleagues and clients to be able to tag you in posts and comments, and make sure you get notified when they do, this quick walkthrough is for you. We'll do this on a desktop browser for clarity. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn, then click the official LinkedIn website from the results to head to the homepage. If you aren't signed in yet, log into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on LinkedIn, look to the top of the page for your profile menu. It's the Me icon, typically showing your profile photo. Click that to open the drop-down, and then choose Settings and Privacy. This is the main hub where you control how your profile and activity are seen. On the left-hand side, select the Visibility section. This area manages who can see your profile elements and how others interact with you. Within Visibility, find the section labeled Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. These settings influence how your actions and mentions show up across LinkedIn. Next, click the option called Mentioned by Others. Depending on your version of LinkedIn, it may appear as mentions or tags. Open it to reveal the control. You'll see a toggle switch. Click the toggle to turn it on. When this is enabled, other members can mention or tag you using the @ symbol in their posts and comments, and you'll receive notifications when it happens. Some accounts show separate controls, one to allow mentions and another to notify you when mentioned. If you see both, switch them on so you're taggable and you also get alerts. Notifications appear under the bell icon at the top of LinkedIn, and you can open them to jump straight into the conversation. That's it. The change saves instantly. If the toggle shows as on, you're ready to be mentioned by your network. If at any time you want to limit this, simply return to the same place and turn it off. The wording or layout may shift slightly over time, but the path stays the same. Me, Settings and Privacy, Visibility, then Mentioned by Others. A quick reminder on why this helps. Keeping mentions on makes it easier to join relevant discussions, showcase your expertise, and build visibility. If you prefer fewer interruptions, you can leave mentions on for discoverability and check notifications on your own schedule. To recap, you searched for LinkedIn, signed in, opened the Me menu, went to Settings and Privacy, selected Visibility, opened visibility of your LinkedIn activity, chose Mentioned by Others, and switched the toggle on. You're all set to be mentioned and to get alerted when you are.